Hey everyone, I'm Ayushi Gupta, and we have built supply chain optimization system for Walmart to tackle three core issues: inventory mismatches, delayed deliveries, and warehouse inefficiencies. In the next few seconds, I'll show you how our smart solution reduce costs, waste, and delays, starting with inventory and delivery optimization, and then my teammate will take you forward with the rest of the features that we have implemented. So all of those products which are not in the stock, we'll suggest alternatives for all of those products with the help of the product metadata. And let's say we place the order. So we have placed the order successfully. And now this is the app that will be with the deliveries people, delivery guys. And you can see that we have got one order. So inventory is same in the location. So we can see the proper ways how delivery guys are coming in. This is the live location.
Depart left onto unnamed road.
After the delivery, people will mark it as delivered and this will be removed from in here. So we can also view the dashboard, which contains the top products with the quantities, orders by cities, with maximum cities, and the heat map.
Now let's move to the packing verification system of our solution. Manual packing often leads to error in quantity and the product type. We developed AI-based packing verification system to eliminate this error. Product ID is fetched via QR scanning. OCR with the help of Tesseract check labels, especially expected quantity and product name, model number, and extract expiry date. Using YOLO V8, our system detects and count each product during open box of item. After that, we seal that item. For perishable item, a trained TensorFlow model predicts freshness. Each packed item is verified, quantity match, expiry valid, product name, and for perishable item, freshness score greater than equal to threshold. If any condition fails, item is flagged and not approved for dispatch. This solution is accurate, scalable, and directly applicable to Walmart warehouses.